Rob Frazier here. How to send a text broadcast to all of your Textbot AI leads. How to send a text broadcast, or how to send a broadcast to all your Textbot AI leads. And I didn't know this, but cutting this video. So this right here is a Textbot back office. Same. I think it's the same at the 500. I haven't done it at the 500 level yet, but this is at the basic level, Ava Basic. So very simple. You come back here, broadcaster, go to new broadcast. Now, I'm filming this video at 6:48, and after 8 p.m. Eastern, so 5 p.m. my time, after that time, they don't send out text messages for the day. You have to send it, send it the next day. But it's very simple. You just come back here, you name it, you select the list. If you are at the Ava Basic level, you only have one list. If you are at the Ava Plus level, you can have multiple lists. So at the Ava Plus level, so in my case, I have a Textbot list for traffic, I have a Textbot list for crypto, and I have a basic Textbot list for affiliate marketing. The Ava Basic level, you just have one list. So there's a difference there, but it's very simple. Come down here, you name it. I'm gonna just do test, whatever. See if it'll let me go. And you just go through the steps. You name it, you select the list, you select your message, and you do send. And it's gonna cost you some usage credits. So with the Ava Basic, I think it's I'm not just doing it $25 a month to buy the usage credits, which is more than enough. I could actually probably go down to the $10 a month for that. But you come down here, select all your leads. You can select, different list, whatever. This right here is where you would select that. Go to next step. And, you just basically fill in the message. Here's my link. Join me now. Blah, 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 blah. You get the point. And you just click next step, and then at the last screen, you just literally click send. Obviously, I'm not going to do it now because it's too late for the day. But going back here, I'm going to show you some of my broadcasts. But it's very simple. I use Textbot to build my offline, to build my list without using an autoresponder. So instead of email, I have email and their phone number, so I can hit them up with both areas. And here's just a couple of different messages that I sent. But it's very simple, very straightforward, very easy process. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in joining Textbot and also getting a very simple way to promote it, and you want some free bonuses like 125 drop cards, I'll even pass out 125 drop cards to promote your Textbot business as well. Click the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.